Assalamu alaikum. Hey everyone, how are you? Want to make a professional YouTube thumbnail that stands out and gets more clicks? In this video, I'll show you how to create a high quality YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Quick, easy, and for free. Let's get started. Step 1. Access Canva. First, go to www.canva.com and log in or create a free account. Once you're in, search for YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Canva will automatically provide the perfect 1280 by 720 pixel canvas size for your thumbnail. Step 2. Choosing a template. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates. You can either pick one that fits your style. For beginners, templates are a great way to create a professional look with minimal effort. Step 3, editing template. Now it's time to customize. Change the text to match your video title, adjust colors to match your branding, and swap out images if needed. Use bold fonts, high contrast colors, and eye-catching elements to make your thumbnail stand out. You can also add effects like shadows and outlines to enhance the visual appeal. Step 4. Download your template. Once you're happy with your design, click Share, Download, choose PNG for high quality. Now upload it to your YouTube video and you're all set. And that's it. You've just made an awesome YouTube thumbnail using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.